military, they have their own like dentist, like
Everything.
Oh, yeah? And that's why those people professional, those militaries.
And you have one base. The base, maybe almost like half of Saipan, only one base.
Oh, yeah?
Half of Saipan.
Go down the beach street.